Let's begin with something we all experience: driving. Imagine approaching an intersection controlled by traffic lights. You don't need to think too much. If the light is green, you go. If it's red, you stop. If it's yellow, you make a quick judgment call. The system is designed to handle complexity for you. Rules are fixed, roles are clear, and behaviors are externally controlled. From the driver's perspective, it's simple. You follow instructions. The system does the coordination. But this simplicity is only on the surface. The complexity is hidden in the system. Infrastructure, timing logic, sensors, and centralized control all work behind the scenes to manage the flow. It's a well-designed, predictable structure, but it's not flexible. If one part breaks or traffic conditions change unexpectedly, the whole system can become inefficient or even dangerous. Now, let's draw the parallel to project management. The stage gate approach is like the traffic light. It's a system designed for predictability. Work is divided into phases, each followed by a gate, a formal review where progress is checked before moving on. Each step is planned in advance, and the criteria are defined upfront. As a team member, your focus is clear. Execute your part, pass the gate, and wait for the green light. Like at the intersection, the complexity is absorbed by the process itself. You don't need to manage the whole project flow, just your segment. This works well when the road ahead is known and the environment is stable. But what happens when it's not?
Now imagine you're approaching a roundabout. There are no traffic lights, no centralized signals telling you exactly when to move. Instead, you're relying on observation, judgment, and interaction. You watch the other drivers. You make decisions in real time. You adapt to the flow. Here, the complexity is not in the system, it is in a context. And the complexity is managed by the drivers themselves. The system is simpler, and its design, no sensors, no timers, but it requires more awareness, more initiative, and more mutual respect. From a user perspective, this means taking ownership. You do not wait to be told when to go. You go when it's safe and appropriate. This is the shift from stage gate to agile. Agile project management is like navigating a roundabout. The process is less prescriptive, but more responsive. Teams are expected to observe, decide, and adapt. Instead of waiting for formal approvals, they iterate. Instead of following a fixed sequence, they prioritize value and feedback. Agile frameworks trust the team to manage complexity, not by hiding it, but by engaging with it directly. It is not, there is no structure. Just as a roundabout still has lanes and right-of-way rules, but the control is decentralized. Each actor has more responsibility. And just like with traffic, this shift changes the role of a system designer. In a traffic light system, the goal is to create the perfect rules. In a roundabout, the goal is to create an environment where people can coordinate dynamically. That's exactly the challenge for agile leaders. Not to control every action, but to create the conditions for good decisions to emerge.
Let's be clear on one important point. This is not just about Scrum. Scrum, Kanban, SAFe, these are frameworks. They're useful. But the real transformation is not in the mechanics. It's in the mindset. In our traffic metaphor, switching from traffic lights to roundabouts is not simply a change in road layout. It's a change in how drivers think, observe, and interact. It's about shared responsibility, situational awareness, and trust. That's the agile mindset, a cultural shift from relying on top-down control to enabling real-time collaboration and adaptation. So when we talk about being agile, we're talking about cultivating that mindset, not just following a framework, but learning how to sense, respond, and improve as we go. And here's another key insight. Traffic lights and roundabouts coexist in real world. We don't need to choose one or the other. We use each where it fits. A traffic light might be perfect for a complex, high-speed intersection in a dense urban setting. A roundabout may work better where traffic is unpredictable or where drivers can coordinate naturally. The same is true for project management. Some projects or parts of projects benefit from the discipline of stage gate, when compliance, predictability, or risk control is paramount. Other parts benefit from the flexibility of Agile, when the requirements are unclear, the pace of change is fast, or innovation is key. This is why hybrid approaches are becoming so common, not as compromise, but as a way to match structure to context, to mix control and flexibility, to balance rules and emergence. The important thing is to understand the mindset behind the method. A hybrid process won't work if it's just glued together from templates. It will work if people bring an agile mindset into it, willingness to reflect, adjust, collaborate, and focus on value. And that's what this course is about.
We are not here just to teach a method. We are here to help you build an agile mindset, one that embraces complexity rather than fearing it. One that focuses on people and interactions, not just on tools and plans. One that thrives with feedback and change. We will explore the culture side of agility, how hybrid models are designed and led, how teams behave in complex environments, how leadership, trust, and learning shape the outcomes. Because in today's world, agility is not just a competitive advantage, it is a necessity, and cultivating the right mindset is where it begins. So the next time you drive through a roundabout, take a moment to notice how you behave, how you make decisions, how you coordinate with others. Then ask yourself, in your team, your project, your organization, are you waiting for the green light? Or are you already navigating complexity with awareness and intent? That's what building an agile mindset is all about.